Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making cluster beans chicken curry. Oil 2 tablespoons, chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Saute for 5 minutes on medium heat. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, chicken with bone 250 grams, cluster beans 250 grams, tomato chopped 1 cup, salt as per taste. Mix everything. Close the lid, cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Some benefits of cluster beans: rich in nutrient, weight management, digestive health, blood sugar control, heart health, bone health, improve immune system, vision health, menstrual health. Water 1 cup. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Coconut paste half cup. Cook on high heat for 2 minutes. If you guys like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, you get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.